form will be appear, correct? And then you can rename the form lah. In this particular case, I'm going to set it as ADCT2019 knowledge on city, for example lah. Alright. So the first question I will ask to my respondent is gender. Okay. So the gender consists of male and female. Okay, this is the example. And after that, I'm going to make it as required questions. That means you have to answer the question, otherwise you cannot move to the next question. Because I'm so lazy, therefore I don't want to click the plus button. I'm going to click this one. This one is what? Duplicate button. I'm going to duplicate and then ask about the, not umur, age. So the age, I'm going to ask about the discrete data, short answer. So I'm going to click this button. This 3 button is for description. So I'm going to describe the question here. Please write your age in years without years word. Ni pun kadang-kadang dah cakap without years word, nanti ada juga yang buat ada perkataan years tu. Years old, why, nanti ada juga kadang-kadang . Never mind. After that, we are going to ask about what? What else you want to know about the demography of respondent? Experience, working experience. Okay, working experience. Okay, this is example only. You can follow. You don't want to follow, so can. Up to your own research question and also research construct. This is experience, working experience, and then I'm going to ask about race. So this is just a jumble around. This is not being structured very well because this is just an example. So I'm not going to request for description. I'm just going to put here as Malay. Okay, another one will be Chinese, and then another one will be Indian. Alright. So the next one will be your former education. Former education lah, which is from ILKKM, or you from IPTA, or you coming from IPTS. This is example only. And then I'm going to ask about the next one will be age, gender, working experience, formal education, and then the last but not least, in terms of demographic factors, I'm going to ask about the what? I'm going to ask about the CGPA, for example. CGPA. This is just an example only. CGPA. Okay. Please state your CGPA in your final destiny. Final destiny, macam final destination, cerita orang nak mati, No, tak adalah, maksudnya last semester anda dapat berapa. I mean, the latest yang anda dapat masa you graduate. Alright, the next one, I'm going to click this one. This button is called upon the add section. I'm going to click the add section. So the section 2 is actually asking about the knowledge. So in this particular section, I'm going to add. You see, this one is the plus button where you can add the question. Okay, but the type of question, I want to change it. I want to change it into multiple choice grid. So the multiple choice grid consists of 5 indicator, which is 1 until 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay, question about DLP. This is example only. And then I have the sub question. Okay, so far.